Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys a project share of the summer folio that I made, and it's like a quad folio. It opens up 4 times. It's pretty great. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like on the inside, but here is the outside so far, and I did some paper piecing on the back here. I love doing this with the hexagon punch, and I'm gonna have the hexagon punches linked down below that I have. The ones that I got come in a pack of like 3 different sizes, so depending on the size of your scraps, you could use whichever size. And I love this. So let me show you guys the paper that I used and everything. And before I get into that, just letting you guys also know that this folio is available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in purchasing it. And you guys are going to see all the space there is for photos inside once I get into that. But I did want to just mention that before I get into it. So without further ado, let's get started and let's talk about the paper first. So here is the paper collection that I use. It is called the Best Summer Ever by Echo Park, and it is fun and colorful, and it was a lot of fun to craft with this. I have some scraps left. I don't have a lot. I have a couple of these little cut aparts. They're not even like a 3x4 size or anything. I have some strips here. I have this piece, and I was just thinking maybe I could just make like a couple of cards with this or something. I have this. This is like a little longer piece, but still can't do much with these unless I make like a teeny tiny album. This is going to be a strip. You could see I cut out a bunch of hexagons from here. Same thing with this one. And then this is my biggest scrap here. And that's what that looks like. So I think a couple of cards would be fun to make with that. And then I do have some stickers left over. I tried to use some. So I did, but I still have a bunch of stickers left over. So let me know what your thoughts are on using these scraps. Like, should I just make cards? I don't know. Should I try to make a teeny tiny mini album? I don't know. So let me know what you guys think I should make. But let's get started. So on the front cover here, I did use one of those like cut apart strips here, and it says Just Another Day in Paradise. I've got a cut apart here that says summer. I've added some stickers, hello, so fun, a pineapple and a strawberry, added some enamel dots. The background is the bathing suits plus some stripes. I've got the stitching all around, and I showed you guys all of this already. So I have a ribbon closure here. I don't need it because this is magnetized, but I like the ribbon closure. I think it looks cute. So you open this up, and this is what it looks like. And on both of these sides, I have like a double pocket, kind of pages mirroring each other. And in those pockets, I just have like journal cards or cut aparts. I do have these double matted, so I did not mat the inside because you could add your photo directly onto here, and that will sturdy it up. Just make sure to use wet glue. That is acid free. But yeah, so that's what that is, because these aren't gusseted pockets, so I didn't want to bulk them up too much, and especially because the magnets are here and here. If I bulked it up too much, then it wouldn't close, so that's why I didn't mat them. So then these open up one more time like that. So you've got like your actual like 4 kind of pages in here. So I'm going to go through half of this first so I can show you guys a little bit closer and more in detail. So on the left side, when this opens up, I've got more cut aparts that just have the white, and they're all like double matted for the most part. This one says Best Summer Ever. Then I also have this 4x6 cut apart, and I matted this one on like a turquoise because it's still in the collection. And then I have like this larger photo mat insert that you can add photos to or do some journaling. And you could still fit some more photos in these pockets as well. These ones are gusseted, so you'll be able to fit some more in here as well. If you don't want to just use the cut aparts, you could still tuck something else in there. Then I've got this bathing suit paper, and all of these are pocket pages. So here you've got like a large photo mat insert, and I put little like gold tabs on here. So this just slides right back in there. Then you turn that, you've got more space for photos, and these also pull out, and you could add additional photos, 1 or 2 more inside. And you could still add more because, I mean, it's a pocket and you could still fit more in there. Same thing on the bottom one. And these both are like individual kind of photo things, so they have their own flipping mechanism. And then I have this one with another insert. Lots of space for photos. Like, you could fit 4 2x3 photos on here. Or you could add in a bigger photo, like whatever you want to do. You could also add a photo on the front if you want. So that's super duper fun. Then that flips again, and here I've got a pocket. And inside this pocket I have 2 cut aparts that are just matted once, so you could add a photo to the back, but you could also add more photos into this pocket because this pocket is gusseted, so you could add additional stuff here. And then I just have a sticker up there that just says food truck roundup. So these all close. And if you guys are interested in a tutorial, I will link it down below. I made this a while ago, like this base, and it's just been sitting here waiting for me to use it. So I don't remember if I changed anything, but I will link the tutorials that I followed in case you guys want to make it. So then here, this is the fun part, because if you have any of these like clear sleeve things, this is where you get to use them. So I didn't fill all of them up, but I did fill some up with cut aparts, and then the rest, obviously you could add photos to the front and to the back of them. So much space for photos. Like, if you guys just want to document your whole entire summer, this is the way to do it. Like, you have one album, document all the photos from the whole summer, the best photos, because there's tons of space for photos in here. So I've just got some cut aparts here. Then you could add more on the back. I've got more cut aparts here, and you could add more on the back. I've got 4x6s, 3x4s. There's 2x2 slots up here and down here. This is 2 3x4s and a 4x6 on the bottom, and then 2 4x6s here. And I just mixed them up throughout so that there should be the same, 2 of each kind. Yeah, there is. So there's 6 sheets in here, and there's 2 of each kind of like style for different sizes photos. So that's how I did it. And then here I've got a 4x6 size waterfall that I matted with some solid cardstock and one of the cut aparts from the collection that says "Say Hello to Summer." And I have got a ribbon closure on here, and this just opens up, and you could add photos on both sides. Like, how many spaces for photos are there here? Like, there is a ton. So much space for photos, guys. So this is available in my Etsy shop. I will have the details and stuff linked down below for the Etsy shop and the tutorial video that I followed. But guys, this does take a long time to make, and not just the paper matting, but the album itself. This one is very detailed and has a lot going on with all the pocket pages and the clear sleeves and everything. So just make sure to give yourself lots of time if you're gonna make one. All right, so that is everything for this summer album. Again, let me know what you guys think I should make with those scraps that I showed you guys that I have left. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.